Hey all, what's popping guys? It's 2020, wow this is crazy. Cool Guy 64 here with you. Sorry I was meaning to upload a new video last week on Boxing Day but never got around to it. I didn't forget I was busy over the holidays, you guys know that. A lot of YouTubers take some time off over the holidays like everything Apple Pro and tech reviews and updates and channels are that. So I hope that you all got my comments saying that I am not going to do any more videos until the new year. I am sorry, I know I had promised that I would, but I got busy with Christmas and going away and opening presents. So sorry I didn't upload my year and decade and PowerPoint. Yes, decade and PowerPoint. I actually, to tell you the truth, I ran out of time. I was rushing to get it done and I felt really bad about it. I abandoned my girlfriend on New Year's Eve because I was rushing to finish my PowerPoint. SP, but it's all okay, my girlfriend didn't dump me because I didn't be with her over New Year's Eve. But my girlfriend was watching a movie with my family, so that was fine. But guys, don't leave your girlfriend over doing something else. I realized that my girlfriend was more important than my PowerPoint, but it had to get finished, so I had no other options. So all is good, my girlfriend still loves me. Life is good. So Happy New Year 2020 everybody. It's the start of a new year and a new decade. Wow, I just can't believe it. I am just happy and glad that all of the computers didn't blow up. So I haven't done an uploading schedule yet for this month, but going to soon come up with some names for my videos. So some of us want to know what year last year did Apple had last year, and I am going to recap it for you guys now with the top 5 of Apple World 2019 Tech Stud. So number 5 as we start the countdown was with the Watch Series 5 made and created by Apple. The Apple Watch this year really didn't have many new features that were compared to the Series 4 from last year 2018. So but it had a lot of the same features compared to the 4. Only thing that was better about it, which is now it can be more dust and water resistant for about 15 minutes more than compared to the Series 4 which came out last year. Some of us wanted more of a change size-wise to the Apple Watch, and some of us were hoping it would be round like a normal watch, not square as what it was before. But rumors said that this year the Series 6 will come out and it will be round and it is going to be bigger than ever. I just wonder how much change are we going to get. An Apple Watch will not be something that I would get because I have got a vision problem. I got this thing or syndrome called carcinogens, which is I see double vision sometimes or stuff like that, or sometime blurriness. So an Apple Watch will not be something for me. I will look up the new information based on the Apple Watch. So moving on to number 4 on my mini countdown, and that is the Apple TV. And the reason it's on my countdown is because this year there was a lot of changes to the Apple TV, like the app icon was changed when iOS 12.4.1 came out in August of 2019. Apple changed its icon from a normal TV to the Apple logo and the word TV beside it. Moving on to number 3. And it's all about the iPod Touch 7. And some people are saying and thinking, well, what about the iPod Touch? No one buys it anymore, and why it's number 3 on my countdown I will tell you. Yes, over the last 6 years the Apple iPod Touch has really dropped of people who bought it. But I am one of the people who still buys it because I love to use them and I am support Apple by buying them, so that they still can produce them. But now the big thing is iPhones, which that brings me to number 2 on my top 5 Apple products of 2019. Apple has made about 3 iPhones this year: the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Max. Let me fix that. I am sorry, the iPhone 11, not the iPhone 12, which Apple is going to come out with this year. Apple is rumored to release a whopping 7.1-inch screen on the iPhone. That's crazy, don't you think? That phone must cost a fortune when it comes out. And now we have made it to the top number 1 Apple product of 2019, and that is drumroll, please. Some of us thought it would be iOS 13, but it actually is the iPad, and it's Apple's bestseller of 2019, and iPhones came in at number 2, and I will tell you why: because of mouse support. Yes, mouse support. That's not it, there's more. There's mouse support, and there's video game controller support. Yes, you can hook up your iPad to your Xbox or PS4. And plus there's dark mode finally, and the volume hub has been changed. So that's my top 5 Apple products of 2019. It is rumored that 2020 will be a really big year for Apple, with iPhone 12, iPhones 2, Apple Watch Series 6, and so much more, plus the big release of iOS 14, which will be even bigger than iOS 13 that was released this year. So before I go and end this video, do you guys like my new haircut? I got it done today. It's a new year, so why don't I made a new me with my new haircut? Videos will be uploaded every Thursday, same as before. So guys, I am Cool Guy 64, and I will see you all in my next video. I am going to end this first video of the new year with the #1 song of 2019. See ya and peace.